Telegram video not playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve if Telegram video is not playing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if Telegram's videos is not basically playing, let's say you open up Telegram here, and what happens is that if you happen to go to a, let's say, certain group, somebody sent a certain video but then you're not being able to play that video. First of all, you have to check if that video is particularly already sent, because if it is not sent, then in that case you will not be able to play the video. Also make sure that the video is sent within the Telegram app, not an external link or something like that. So that's the thing that you want to understand. Now what you can come to do is tap the three lines option and go to settings. From settings, go to data and storage. Over here you can see automatic media download. Make sure to enable these options, and here you can say use less data for calls. You can also turn on stream videos and audio files. If you turn this off, you'll not be able to actually play Telegram videos. Now after this, what you can also do is you can basically come back, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and then open your Play Store, search for Telegram. If the Telegram app has an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you should be able to solve Telegram video not playing. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.